Hey, welcome to ManKitchenRecipes. I'm Kevin, and we do baby back ribs all the time, but today I'm going to do another baby back rib. I have already got it seasoned with my classic rub. It's been sitting for about 2 hours. I did peel the membrane off. You don't need to see all of that, right? But today, how I'm going to make these different is I made some jalapeno jelly. And we're going to try using this jalapeno jelly as the glaze on these baby back pork ribs and see how it tastes. I think it's going to be awesome. So we're going to run the Pit Boss at 225. I'm using the Lumberjack Pecan Blend pellets. I think these are going to be good. Hey, here they are. Got them in here at 225. See you in a little bit. Right, our ribs have been in here for 3 hours now. Looking pretty good. Spritzed them once. So we're gonna get these out of here and get them wrapped up. Okay, so before we get the pork ribs on here, I am gonna lay down some honey because we're gonna go meat side down. I'm gonna put some brown sugar. Now you can do this on the meat and then flip it. I just like doing it this way. Okay. And some butter. Okay. Let me get them ribs out. There they are. All right, here you go. Look at that. That is looking good. And just like the other side, you don't have to do the bottom. I like to do the bottom. So I'm just going to do a little bit on the bottom. Put my brown sugar on there. And of course, our honey. I'm sure you've seen this several times, but if not, this is the way you do it. Now we're going to wrap these fairly tight. I always like to do 2 pieces of foil. Sometimes one will get a hole in it. That's how careful you are. All right. Okay. These are going to go in the pellet grill. Meat side down for an hour. Okay, we've been going 1 hour wrapped. Let's get these out of here. There they are. Get these over to my tray. Let me tell you, this is the part we've been waiting for. We want to get this jalapeno jelly that I made last night as a glaze on these ribs. That's what's making these ribs different than, you know, the rest of the ribs. There's thousands of ways to make ribs. This is just another one of them, man. And when you home make your glaze, this jalapeno jelly, I've had it sitting out for a couple hours so that it will spread easily. Let's get it on there. Big reveal. Oh yeah. Look at that. Those look amazing. I'm going to put a little bit of this jalapeno jelly right on the belly, the underside. Brushed on there. Okay, get these flipped over. It's out of the juice. Whoop. They're about done. Now, look at that. Now, if you've never had jalapeno jelly, you can make it to the heat level that you want. This jalapeno jelly is not real super spicy. It is sweet with the heat, and if you follow my channel, you will know that that's exactly the way I like hot stuff. I like to have it sweet on the front end and a little spicy hitting the back end. This jelly is not real super spicy, but it is super delicious. Okay, so now that we've got this these pork ribs glazed with the jelly, we're going to get them back on the pellet grill. It's going to be good. Hey, you want to see this jelly recipe? I really haven't filmed one yet, but I got to make another batch. So if you want to see how to make this, let me know in the comments. We can show you. All right. Now that we have these back in the pellet grill, we're going to let these smoke for about 30 more minutes, and we will pull them off, let them rest a few minutes, and give these babies a try. I cannot wait to see how this jalapeno jelly tastes on the baby back ribs. So we'll see you in about another 30. Right. Look at that. Jalapeno jelly glazed baby back ribs. Oh yeah. Let's get these off, cut them up, eat them up. Okay, so there you go. Jalapeno jelly glazed baby back ribs on the Pit Boss pellet smoker. We 225 for 3 hours. Wrapped them with butter, honey, brown sugar like you do the 3-2-1. Put them back in for 1 hour. Glazed them with the jalapeno jelly. Put them back in for 30 minutes. And here you go. Beautiful, beautiful ribs. Look at that. Look at that jelly on there. All right, let's see how it tastes. Yeah. I've been waiting all day for this. This is so good. Clean bite, to the bone. Do I like it? Don't necessarily want it falling off the bone. Oh my gosh. That flavor is amazing. All right, baby back ribs, thanks for watching. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell. We'll see you on the next good.